Hello students, we are starting chapter 6, Lines and Angles. This is our video 1. In this video our topic is basic terms and definitions. So we are starting with our line and angle chapter with basic terms. First of all, part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Let us suppose this is line L and AB is a part of line with two endpoints A and B. So AB is known as line segment. You can see in figure L is line, AB is part of line segment L, where A and B are two endpoints of the line L. Therefore, AB is known as line segment. If three or more points lie on the same line, are known as collinear points. अगर तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे लाई करेंगे तो वो तीनों पॉइंट कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहलाएंगे. In this figure, A, C and B are 3 points lying on a line. Therefore, A, C and B are known as collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. In above figure, A, B, C are not on a line. Therefore, A, B, C are non-collinear points. The angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoints. The rays making an angle are called arms of the angle and endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. I am repeating. The angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. In this figure, this is ray 1, this is ray 2. Both rays originate from same endpoint. So, this is known as angle. The angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. This is endpoint and this is first ray and this is second ray. So the angle formed by two rays originate from same endpoint. These two rays are known as arms of the angles. This is arm 1, this is arm 2. And the endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. Endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. Now we have already studied about different types of angles such that acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle and reflex angle in our earlier classes. Let us discuss these angles once again by figure. This is our acute angle. X is acute angle greater than 0, less than 90. Acute angle is that angle which is greater than 0, less than 90 degree. Right angle which is equal to 90 degree is known as right angle. You can see the figure, angle Y is 90 degree. Obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. In this figure you can see angle Z is greater than 90, less than 180. So Z is obtuse angle. Straight angle. Here straight angle is 180 degree angle. S is 180 degree. Therefore it is known as straight angle. Reflex angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Here T is greater than 180, less than 360. So T is reflex angle here. Let's move on to our next term. If two angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as complementary angles. दो एंगल जिनका सम 90 डिग्री होगा उनको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स बोलते हैं. इफ टू एंगल्स हुज सम इज 90 डिग्री आर नोन एज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. इफ टू एंगल्स हुज सम इज 180 डिग्री, दो एंगल जिनका सम 180 डिग्री होगा, आर नोन एज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स बोलेंगे. टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different side of common arms. Now our next term is adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Two angles, if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different side of common arms. Let's see in the figure, this figure, angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angles. Angle ABD, BD एंगल ABD में भी आ रही है और BD एंगल DBC में भी आ रही है. सो दिस इज अवर कॉमन आर्म, दिस इज अवर कॉमन वर्टेक्स. एंगल B vertex is common vertex, and non-common arms AB and BC both are non-common arms which are on different side of common arm. This is our common arm and this is non-common arm. This is non-common arm. These two non-common arms are different side of the common arm and B is the common vertex. So angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angle. Also angle ABD plus angle DBC make angle ABC. Angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABC. These are known as adjacent angles. Now if BA and BC form a line, BA and BC form a line, then angle ABD and angle DBC are called linear pair angle. अब इस फिगर को आप इस तरीके से देखेंगे, ये जो हमारी कॉमन आर्म, जो हमारी नॉन कॉमन आर्म है, दोनों की दोनों AB और BC, ये दोनों मिलकर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रही हैं. दिस वन एंड दिस वन मेक स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो दिस एंगल ABD and angle DBC are known as linear pair angles. These are linear pair angles, angle ABD and angle DBC. Intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. PQ and RS are intersecting at point O. In a same plane, एक ही plane पर, in a same plane, lines are intersecting or parallel. In a same plane, एक ही plane पर दो लाइन अगर हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो या तो वो इंटरसेक्टिंग होंगी या फिर वो क्या होंगी? पैरेलल होंगी. बोथ PQ and RS lines are intersecting in first case. PQ and RS are parallel lines. These are known as parallel lines. Parallel lines, distance between two parallel lines always remains same. Distance between two parallel lines always remains same. Let's move on to our axiom. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. When the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then they are called a linear pair of angles. क्या मीनिंग है इसका? आप मीनिंग समझेंगे. अगर एक रे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर खड़ी है, stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles, तो दोनों adjacent angles का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. और अगर एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा, अगर एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा तो उनको हम लीनियर पेयर एंगल बोलेंगे. लीनियर पेयर एंगल, मैंने ये फिगर्स बनाई हैं, इन फिगर्स से आप समझेंगे लीनियर पेयर एंगल. दिस एंगल ADM, एंगल ADM and angle MDB are adjacent angles, but इन दोनों adjacent angle का sum 90 degree है. So these are not linear pair angles. These are not linear pair angles. Here angle AOC and angle COB इन दोनों का sum 140 degree है. These are not linear pairs. 60 degree and 40 degree. 80 degree. 60 plus 180 is 140. So this angle and this angle is not a linear pair. Now see here, angle ADC and angle CDB, 125 plus 55 is 180 degree. So angle ADC and angle CDB are linear pair angle. इन दोनों, ये दोनों कैसे एंगल होंगे? लीनियर पेयर एंगल होंगे. 150 degree and 70 degree. Angle AOC and angle COB. 150 plus 70, 220. These are not linear pair. Converse is also true. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then non-common arms of angle form a line. Converse भी true है इसका. अगर दोनों adjacent angle का sum 180 degree होगा, तो जो non-common arms होंगी वो एक straight line बनाएंगी. तो इन दोनों का सम जैसे यहां पर 180 डिग्री आ रहा है, तो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स AD एंड BD मेक्स अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. देयरफॉर ADB इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. हियर एंगल AOC एंड एंगल COB इन दोनों का सम 220 डिग्री आ रहा है. दीज आर नॉट लीनियर पेयर एंगल. इन दोनों का सम कितना आ रहा है? 220. 180 नहीं आ रहा, तो AOB इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सिमिलरली 60 डिग्री एंड 80 डिग्री इन दोनों का सम 140 डिग्री आ रहा है, तो एंगल AO and OB do not make a straight line. AOB is not a straight line. Similarly here 60 plus 30 90 degree sum आ रहा है, 180 degree sum नहीं आ रहा, then ADB is not a straight line. So these are our basic terms in this chapter. In next video we will cover examples of 6.1. Thank you.